So we got it all cracked up. It was took out these screws and I got everyone out but one, and I pulled it apart. So I'd recommend, if you couldn't get a screw out, to drill it out, because it was very hard. Ended up breaking one of these screws. Well, anyway, you see the switch that is broken here, that doesn't work. And what I'm going to do is, I got this switch from Amazon for less than $5. And here it is right here. It's a 3-wire switch, and I'm going to basically hook the wires up and just have the switch outside, nice and not professional, but I'll let you know how it works. So I clipped this away, and you can see, like, there's just 2 wires here. So I believe there is no ground in this setup. So I believe I just have to, no sense in setting up the ground there. And we'll go from there. 1, 2. All right, status here. We trim these wires. I found that this this tool, although it goes up to it says 16 or 2.8, this wire was really thick, and I ended up just using a pocket knife. And so anyway, so you need to strip the wires, and this particular thing from Amazon came with some wire nuts. So hooked up the 2 leads, and I'm going to close this up and give it a test. Hey everybody, this is the Toro Metal Impeller Ultra Blower Vac. I bought this at Home Depot at some point for around 80 bucks. And the switch died on it, so if you've been following along. But anyway, you do not need to connect the ground anywhere. So anyway, got all plugged in, and voila. Of course. Oh, there we go. So switch is fixed for $6. Thank you. Hey, just one last thing. It took me about 30 seconds to do is I just put a self-tapper right in this handle. There's no wiring or anything here, so nice solid tapper. This thing is not going anywhere now. I did a 10 and 1/inch in pan head, but you can pretty use anything here. And then I guess I'll just duct tape just so to avoid any water issues.